Samsung digital inverter that has a leaking door seal. This is a common problem with Samsung WD90J. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace this rubber seal. You see it has a dent here with this new rubber seal. So the first things first, what you need to do is unplug it from power. Once that is done, we're going to open these two screws, this one and this one, and then we remove the dispenser. Just press here, it is 10 push, then remove this screw and this one here, and then remove this. They are clipped, so you remove the front panel. So once you unclip, this is the dashboard. Unclip here, keep it safe. Then open this one here, open this screw. There are three. Another one is here, another one here. Open the door. Now there is this rubber clipper. We remove it. There's a spring somewhere here. Remove the spring. Push the rubber inside. Just remove it. Push the rubber inside. Close the door. Remove this and this. So once you remove this and this, okay, there's a good hook here. Just pull the door, boom it, remove the door switch. Get a pliers, cut and clip this, then you remove it from here. Then you remove the screw that holds the duct here. Remove the duct, pull it out. Now we remove the three bolts, this and this, to remove the concrete blocks. Once that is done, we remove this one here. Once it's loose, just pull it out like that. So this is the old rubber. This is the new one. There's this triangle like stuff here. It comes here, so it helps you know where the rubber goes exactly. So we hook it in, and then the duct comes here. This one goes here, this one here.